Hi students, how are you? I hope you had your food, right? Okay. Are you sleepy? No, na? You're not sleepy? Okay, just stand up. Just stand up. Okay. Just raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yes. Nice. Put down. Raise your right hand. Right hand. I said right hand. You're raising your left hand. This is my left hand. Okay. Down. Raise your right hand. Yes, good. Down. Raise your left hand. Left hand, I said. Okay, that's why I said. I think you had a sound food. Strong food. Right. Okay, we'll come back to the lesson now. A hero. I had stopped page 4, paragraph number 6, and I remember that I gave you some homework. I hope you have done that. 3, 4, 5, 6 questions I gave you, and also I asked you to read. Yes, I hope, I trust you have done that. Right. We'll continue. Just look at the textbook. Swami's father sat gloomily gazing at the newspaper on his lap. Swami rose silently and tiptoed to his bed in the passage. Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, "Boy, are you already feeling sleepy? Don't you want to hear a story?" Swami made wild gesticulations to silence his granny, but that good lady saw nothing. So Swami threw himself on his bed and pulled the blanket over his face. So what is happening here? Here, there was an incident about a boy who had fought with the tiger and killed the tiger. Now, there was a discussion between father and son regarding that issue. Later, father gave a challenge that you are supposed to sleep in my office room. Then he made some nevanas, some justifications, some arguments that we are going to have a cricket team, cricket bat, ball, new captain, all those things. Blah 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 he was saying, just to avoid or escape from sleeping in the office room. After that, now what happened? Swami's father gloomily, see the meaning is given there, down, feeling in a way that things will not improve. Whatever the father is trying to say, this boy is not at all in a way to listen. He is in some other world, he is in some other argument. Gazing. What do you mean by gaze? Gazing. Gaze. Look. See. These are the other synonyms. Same meaning words are called synonyms. Yesterday I was talking about antonyms, opposite, expected, unexpected. Synonym, same meaning, samana pada, samana artha uruva shabdagalu. Gazing at the newspaper on his lap. What do you mean by lap? Lap. What? Yes, laptop. Laptop. What do you mean by lap? Lap means tode. Okay? He was seeing, sat gloomily gazing at the newspaper on his lap. Swami rose silently. Rose. See, rose. R-I-S-E. Rise. The past tense of rise is rose. Rise. Rose. Swami rose silently. Silently means calmly, and tiptoed to his bed in the passage. So, father was reading the newspaper. Swami rose silently and tiptoed like this. Tiptoe. Tiptoe means toe means ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು. ಯಾವ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು? ಕಾಲಿನ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಮೆಲ್ಲಗೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದ ಹಾಗೆ, ಟಿಪ್ ಟೋ ಟೋ, ಹೀಗೆ. ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್? ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಬೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. See what he is doing? Granny was sitting up in her bed and remarked, she's saying something, "Boy, are you already feeling sleepy? Don't you want to hear a story?" Swami made something like this, wild gesticulations to silence. Wild gesticulations, some movements. Granny, don't talk, don't talk. You know, father was reading the newspaper and he gave a command, he gave a challenge. He has to sleep there, but instead of sleeping in the office room, slowly he came towards his room, to the passage where Granny was sleeping, or daily where he used to sleep. So he came there and he slept there. Okay? Granny is asking Swami, what happened? What happened? You are sleepy today. You are earlier. Today you are sleeping very earlier. Another thing, what? Don't you want to hear a story? The issue is, daily Swami used to sleep with the Granny. What the grandma used to do? She used to tell ನೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಥೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಎಲ್ರಿಗಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಲಗುವ ಮೊದಲು ದ ಗ್ರಾನಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸ್. ಟುಡೇ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಮೂಡ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ, ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇಡ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್. ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೂರವಾಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲರ್ಥ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, something like this. To silence, Granny, don't, Granny, don't shout, don't talk. But that good lady saw nothing. She doesn't know all these issues, what the father has challenged, other things, sleeping. She didn't know whatever they had a discussion. She was talking naturally. She was just asking normally, what man, today you are not sleeping, you don't want to hear a story, what happened today? So Swami threw himself on his bed and pulled the blanket over his face. So what he does, see, threw himself. Throw, throw, past tense, threw. Threw himself means sometime whenever you get sleepy, when you feel like sleepy, what do? You just go, you are in that sleepy mood and you go and just take a jump towards the bed. Isn't it? Here, this boy, he is going towards the bed. He wanted to sleep, but he didn't get the sleep. He wanted to avoid his father. So he acts like sleeping. Isn't it? He acts like sleeping and he pulled over the blanket over his head. You got my point? So see there, you can see the picture where Granny was sitting, right? She was sitting up on her bed. This boy who is sleeping beside, I told you, beside means by the side. See here, by seeing the picture you can understand what is the discussion, what happened over there, and who is another person. You can see 3 pictures over there, right? 3 characters, 3 persons. One is Granny, another one is a boy, another is a father. Yes, you are the father. So he goes there and sleeping, here acting like sleeping. Okay, yes. Next, any doubts here? Gesticulation, I think you got it. Silently, calmly. Gloomily means unhappy. Okay, means whatever he wanted to do, his son has to do, he is not doing it all. Next, Granny said, seventh paragraph, page 4. Granny said, "Don't cover your face. Are you really very sleepy?" Swami leaned over and whispered, "Please, please, shut up, Granny. Don't talk to me. And don't let anyone call me even if the house is on fire. If I don't sleep at once, perhaps I shall die." He turned over and curled and snored under the blanket till he found his blanket pulled away. What happened? What happened? See, Granny said, now Granny is saying something. Granny said, "Don't cover your face. Don't cover your face through the blanket. Don't cover. Are you really very sleepy?" See, Granny is disturbing him. He wanted to sleep. You know what has happened, you know. Granny doesn't know all those things. All those discussion, all those challenges or order. She is not aware of all those things. ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಆತ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಅಜ್ಜಿಯ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿದ. ಅಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ, "ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ." ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹೇಳಿದು, "ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾರೆ ನೀನು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕೆಟನ್ನು ಬೆಡ್ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಹೊಚ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿನಗೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ರಿಯಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿ?" ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಲೀಂಟ್ ಓವರ್. ಲೀಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ, ಲೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ವಾಲುವುದು. ಲೀಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ಡ್. ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್, ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಸುಗುಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗುಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಗುಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ಪರ್ಡ್, "ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ಶಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಗ್ರಾನಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೀ. And don't let anyone call me." See, don't let anyone call me even if the house is on fire. The house is on fire. See, on fire. Preposition. ಏನರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ನೀವು ಕರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರೇ ಬಂದು ಕರೀಲಿ, ಯಾರೇ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೀಲಿ, ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ಮಲಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿನೇ ಬೀಳಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸಬೇಡಿ. He turned over and curled. If I don't sleep at once, if I don't sleep at once, perhaps I shall die. Perhaps I shall die. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಈಗ ಮಲಗದಿದ್ರೆ, if I don't sleep now, I will die. You know why he is saying all those things? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, he turned over and ಕವಲು ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು, curled and snoring. You know what is the meaning? Snoring. Snore means what? Snore means gorake. You say na? Do you snore? While sleeping? How could you? You will be sleeping. You won't be aware of your mother, your father, your what I should say, brother, sister may say whether you snore or not. Okay? Snoring means gorake. So he is acting like he is snoring. Snored under the blanket. See, under the blanket. Blanket means, you know, bed sheet. Under the blanket till he found F-O-U-N-D, F-I-N-D, find. The past tense of find is found means doroku, sikku, sigudu. Till he found his blanket pulled away. Pull. What do you mean by pull? Ele. Pulled away. You can see there what is happening. See, Granny is sitting on his bed and he acts like sleeping. Just see the picture. Whatever we have discussed, paragraph 6 and 7, we can understand by seeing the picture, isn't it? Yes. See, another person, father, he had come over there. He came to know that this boy Swami had fooled him, cheated him, and now he is sleeping beside his granny. Now this father is trying to pull the blanket which he is wearing, isn't it? He is wearing that blanket, isn't it? That blanket is pulling out. Yes. ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದವರನ್ನು ಎಬ್ಬಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಟಿಸಿದವರನ್ನು ಎಬ್ಬಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕರ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕವಲು ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು. ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ other side. Till he found his blanket pulled away. Eighth one. Presently, his father came and stood over him. Paragraph number 8, line number 1. Presently, his father came. You know, I told you, came, past tense, came, present tense, come, came, C-A-M-E. Presently came and stood, see, stood, stand, past tense, stood, stand, past tense, stood, see, I am standing before you. So he stood, nintanu, yara edurugade nintanu, father came and stood over him. Swami, get up, he said. Who said? Father. He looked like an apparition in the semi-darkness of the passage, which was lit by a cone of light from the hall. Swami stirred and groaned as if in sleep. Father said, "Get up, Swami." Granny pleaded, "Why do you disturb him? Why do you disturb him?" ಏನಾಯ್ತು? This boy, he is acting like sleeping. Father came to know that he is not there in the office room as per the challenge, as per the order. Now he found that boy in the granny's room. He is behaving, he is acting like he is sleeping, and father got angry and he is trying to pulling his blanket. This boy, what he is doing? And he is shouting, "Swami, get up, get up." He looked like an apparition. It's a new word for you. New word to you. See, apparition. Apparition means devil, or you can also say ghost. In Kannada, what do you call? Preta. Bhuta. Preta, Bhuta. Nice, right? Preta, Bhuta. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಭೂತಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಣ್ಣದಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನೋಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಗೊಂಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಳಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಗೊಂಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಗೊಂಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅಲ್ಲ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಹೆದರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೆದರಿ, ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ something like that, this father appeared like an apparition. Apparition means devil. Father looks like ghost. ತಂದೆ ಭೂತ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಮಗನಿಗೆ. Looked like an apparition in the semi-darkness of the passage. Semi-darkness. Just see here. If you see, semi-darkness ಅಂದರೆ ಕತ್ತಲು, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್, ಕಗ್ಗತ್ತಲು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕತ್ತಲು. ಸೆಮಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್, ಸೆಮಿ, ಹಾಫ್, ಲಿಟಲ್ darkness of the passage, which was lit, see, lit, light, past tense, light, light, lit, deepa, sanna deepa, hachidage, lit by a cone of light from the hall. So, see, if he's looking this side, so he's sleeping this side, and we saw father, he had fully covered himself with the help of the blanket, and it's a half dark, and when he is seeing towards the father, he looks like a ghost, and some light is lit, some light which is there lit by cone of light from the hall. See, from the hall side, you can see a small light. From there, when he saw, means not from there, when he saw that light, father was standing opposite, something like that, and his face was looking like apparition. Bhuta tara kaantana avanu tande. Swami stirred and groaned, stirred. What do you mean by stirred? ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. Stirred and groaned as if in sleep. ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಮಲಗಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಟಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Groaned as if in sleep. Father said, "Get up, Swami. Get up." Granny pleaded. Granny pleaded. Pleading. Pleading means request. Request. Plead. Pleaded. Pleaded. Pleading. Plead. Plead means vinanti. Okay? Plead. Pleaded. Why do you disturb him? Why do you disturb him? Granny is asking father, why do you disturb him? Why you are disturbing your son? What happened to you? He is sleeping, no? Why you are disturbing him? Ninth one. Get up, Swami, said the father for the third time. Third time father is saying, get up, Swami. And Swami got up. Get up, got up. Past tense. Get up, got up. Father rolled up his bed. Rolled up. See, rolling up means, just you can see this is a cloth. It's okay. It's a bed, like rolling up. Rolling. Rolled. Rolled up and rolled up his bed. His bed means Swami's bed. Took it under his arm. See, under his arm. And said, come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Swami looked at Granny. Swami looked at Granny. Hesitated for a moment. Hesitation. Hesitation. What do you mean by hesitation? What do you mean by hesitation? ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ, ವೆನ್ ಈ ಸಾ ಹಿಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಅಪ್ಯಾರಿಷನ್, ಒಂಥರ ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತಾ, ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಹಿಂಜರಿಕೆ. Swami looked at Granny, hesitated for a moment and followed his father into the office. See, into the office, preposition, into the office of his room. On the way, he threw, T-H-R-O-W, idu present tense, threw is a past tense. Threw. Okay. What he is throwing here? What he is throwing here? No. See. Come with me, Swami looked at Granny, hesitated for a moment and followed his father into the office room. On the way, he threw a look of appeal. See, I think you already got this word, appeal. Appeal means nothing but request, vinanti. Okay, he is requesting his father in some other way at his mother, and she said his father is very angry, he's adamant, Granny couldn't do anything, couldn't help Swami, and he's looking towards mother, at least whether she could help her. Why do you take him to the office room? Why do you take him to the office room? He can sleep in the hall, I think. So this mother is trying to convince his father or his husband, and also she is also requesting, why you are forcing him? Why you are forcing? Let him sleep in the office room. Let him sleep in the hall. I think he wanted to sleep. I don't think so, father said. I don't think so. And Swami slunk behind him with a bowed head. Slunk behind him. He wanted to go away. Just he wanted to get back. Slunk. Okay. Slunk is a past tense. Okay. Slunk. Okay. Slunk. Slunk is pronunciation is slunk behind him with a bow. Bow means bow. So bow means like this. Bowed head. Bowed head. Okay. Did you understood here? Any doubts here? What is going on here? See, he wanted to sleep. Father asked him to sleep in the office room, but he couldn't. He just came silently, and he is sleeping in his usual room, that is beside Granny. And father searched him, and he came here, and he is pulling his blanket and is rolling his blanket bed, and is taking him towards the hall. Taking him towards the hall. Because he is supposed to sleep in the office room. Okay? Yes. Now, any doubts here till now? Okay, just do one thing. Just read silently. Okay, till paragraph number 6 till 9, whatever I just dealt here. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ paragraph wise, line wise, any doubts if you have, you can ask me. Okay. So here, paragraph number 6, 7, 8, 9, I think you don't have any doubts. Page number 1, you have one picture. Whatever discussion had gone over there, you can see, you can understand by just seeing the picture. And in the second picture, you can see Granny, father and Swami, isn't it? And we will go to the page number 5 after the paragraph, big paragraph. Let me sleep in the hall, father, Swami pleaded. Just now I said plead means request. Let me sleep in the hall, father, Swami pleaded. Pleaded andre vinantistane, ಪರಿಪರಿಯಾಗಿ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Your office room is very dusty. Your office room is very dust. What do you mean by dust? Dusty. Dulu. Tumba dulide. And there may be scorpions. You know scorpions? What do you mean by scorpions? Chedu. Nodidira chedu? Your office room is very dusty, tumba doolide, and there may be scorpions behind your law books. Law books, you know law means, in law anta helidre LAW law, books, you know books. ಕಾನೂನು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಕಾನೂನು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕೊಳೆ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೇಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಮಲಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದವನು. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಫೆಲೋ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳೋದು, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮಗ. ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಎಲೋನ್, ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್. ಸರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಎಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್, ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್. ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡು, ನೀನು ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೋದು? ಫಾದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು Swami. Shall we call it a day? Shall we end our lesson? Today's lesson? Yes? Right.